In this video, I will show you how to add header and footer in Microsoft Excel. So, guys, click on this page layout, size, and here click on more paper size. Now, here you can set your paper size like A4. In a header and footer, you can insert your custom header. Like header, type your header. In the left section and center section, you can insert date. In the right section, you can insert number. Then click on OK. And same process you can apply in custom footer. You can insert your own picture as a footer or as a header. Then click on OK. Now once you try to print, so you will see this header and footer. Select here A4. This is the complete page. And this is the footer. Here you can make more changes. So this is the header and this is the footer area. So this way you can insert and you can guys create a best looking header and footer. It's only for dummy header I saw. So thanks for watching.